Today, I feel that I apologize to our fathers like Tapabri, like Medford Okilo, that they were not wrong in forming alliance with the North. And as young men, we will now start that same alliance now. As I am today, from today, I will walk and form alliance with the North and to crush all other opposition. Because those who hate us, whatever we do for them does not mean anything to them. Whatever job people do to them does not mean anything to them. You go all over Ijoland. We will take this message that it's only the Northerners that can work with the job people. You cannot like me and hate my kids. Yes, sir. You cannot tell me that you like me. You are my friend, you are my egbon, but you don't like the job people. If you kill all the job people, who are going to be? You go kick me after now. Like I was saying, if you want to make such far-reaching changes, fundamental change, you engage the people in town hall meetings. You engage them. Do you want Niger Delta military to be there or not? No. We wake up and the next thing we hear, you have scrapped Niger Delta military. You have created regional military. Regional military to be funded with the job people's money. And you think that you are going to accept it flying low. We will not talk. Because you are Alpha and Omega, you are beginning and the end. No. You are not. You are not Alpha and Omega, you are not beginning and the end. We have the capacity. We always tell people, the job people, we have the capacity to do and undo in this country. If Biafra failed, it was because when some idiots start to talk nonsense, the job people pulled out and fought them to stand still. We entered Bonny, we entered everywhere. We entered Port Harcourt. Biafra failed. If this modern Biafran movement is failing, it's because people don't have respect for people, they talk anyhow. And it failed. And it's not coming back. Nigeria will remain one. We are going to be here to build the joint nation. But we'll build the joint nation on our own terms. You can't dictate to us. You can't take our resources and we are not going anywhere. We'll be here with you. If you put hand for our eye, you go put hand for your eye. That's all. If you mess for us, we go mess for you.
That's all.
All of us go see how they mess they smell. It's wrong. In a democracy, you just wake up and take any decision you like. So what is the democracy? Simple. Government of the people, for the people, by the people. Not so.
Yes, sir.
We did not elect a dictator who would sit down and take decisions without consulting the constituents, the people that are critical stakeholders in the area. Bola Tinubu return our Niger Delta ministry. We are not interested in a regional ministry. What they want to do is to reduce NDDC to nothing as they reduce Niger Delta Basin Authority to nothing. And we will not take it. It is our resources. We will not take it. We are going to stand. We are going to fight. We are going to make sure that you restore back our NDDC and restore back our Niger Delta Ministry. It is the blood, the pain, and the cry of our people that brought these things to us. It was not for free. If others are there begging and lobbying, we will not beg. We have the capacity. We have the capacity. And don't force us to go that way. Because as if you want to see what thing we do. You want to remove sin. Anyhow, you must manipulate the court to remove sin. You want to deal with the job people. Okay. Other ethnic nationality for here. They know they talk now. They are all mute. When we are finished writing, when the largest come, they will come out. We are Niger Delta. They will not talk. They want to be in the good book of other people. Where they go now? Now younger now. So that is it. You can't just take a people for a ride. We're not going to bend our back for you to ride or not. We won't do it. At the rain don't they fall. Man, I go, let the drum too much water. And I thank you. Our new evangelism now to go to villages, called it to say we have to go back. We have to negotiate new terms with our partner. We have to go back. I will send you everywhere to every village, every part of the dollar. The way we did and brought IYC before they spoil IYC, turn them into money collecting organization now. Anywhere where they collect money, Nigeria where they say them. We are going to revive the joint nation and we are going to negotiate new terms with our partners. These people cannot be our partners. They cannot be trusted. They hate us. And when you hate us, you will see the job. Don't be mad. Everybody will don't try us. You just say, Koro Ikutu, hey.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya.
You just say, Koro Ikutu.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya.
You just say, Koro Ikutu, hey.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya.
Just say, Koro Ikutu, hey.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya.
Just say, Koro Ikutu, hey.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya.
Just say, Koro Ikutu.
Takwazingeya, Koro Ikutu, Takwazingeya. Yeah.
You cannot shake us. If you dare us, you will see us. If you dare us,
Okio Polokaku. Okio Polokaku. Okio Polokaku. Okio Polokaku. Count. Asawana. Aiso.
I see they go.
Swallow all of them. Inji Brugro Casabroa.
So Like I said, keep yourself clean.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We in Barabarago. I go
Yes,
in the prevent of charge to effect what we say is the right thing. Our brothers are going to 2 places. Like we said, we are not in competition with anybody. You have your responsibility, your duties to carry out. It's up to you to carry out your duties. We have our services to offer, and it is also our duty to offer our services. If you appreciate us, this innocent, as you left your house in the morning before 5 o'clock, you are coming here. They are not at home, but people leave their house in the morning. Their children are waiting for them to bring something for them to eat. Their aged parents are waiting for you in the village, and if you don't return, what happens? Who will provide for them? That is what it is. These people go out in the morning, putting their faith that they've been given assurance that if they come out, nothing will happen to them. And they came out and they were mowed down, killed. You don't just sit and criticize. You don't just sit and tell people, do you have the capacity to turn the narratives? We have. Not because we are the most powerful, because God has given us. We are sincere. We are committed with what we are doing. We have never competed with anybody. Anywhere they say, oh, go on joint operation, we subordinate ourselves to them. We have never rubbed shoulders with them. Even if we are older and we are doing the others of the tax, our own needs, we have an agreement. When we finish our tax, we leave. How would you be shamelessly calling on terrorists for doing a job you are supposed to do, and you cannot do it? And then the enemies you are confronting on your behalf will be saying, kill him, kill them. Do you know how many people, how many policemen that have been killed in these past few days in Anambra and in Imo? Do you know how many people that have been killed in these past days in this? No one of our person was killed. They did not attack any of our FOP. None of our page was attacked because they know us. Jesus. They go no they enter them. They know us. But that is they go no they enter them. That one and when you come out that magnet for your house. And that paparapa. You tire. Yes,
sir.
If you don't come out that magnet for your hand, the thing will enter you. That paparapa, no tire, the thing go enter you. The people, they didn't come to us, they didn't come to our place. Our vehicles drive past, they don't engage us. Because they know say these people, they are, oh no. Then they know say these people, they are, oh no. engage us. They don't engage us. They drive for Dimo, then see us. They don't engage us. They know us. Black and black. They know us. Now black and black, then they call us everywhere. And that is why you must keep yourself clean. Nobody say you go take money for 2 months, 3 months, and that's the end of it. The next thing we put inside bus, carry go village. No. Maintain your sanctity, maintain your holiness, maintain your purity. There is nowhere where we no go fit go conquer. When we tell them, say, if na Niger anywhere call us, we go there, go conquer. And we go conquer, come back. Nowhere where we no go fit go conquer. And God has been merciful to us. Even though some of us get magnet for their answer, God has been merciful. Then they see and they confirm her. One way, one way, one way, one way. Some say Abuja, some say Kano, some say Sokoto, we dey go.
One way, one way, one way, one way. One way, one way, one way, one way. Some say Abuja, some say Kano, some say Sokoto, we dey go.
Whether na Yobe, whether na Sokoto, Zamfara, or Niger, or Kaduna, or Katsina, or whether na for Abuja, or whether na for Anambra, whether na for Imo, just call us. Eh?
Yes, sir. Anywhere all over the world.
Yes,
They go.
anywhere you call us, we will go there.
I dey tell you.
Yes, Erima Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Yeah, Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo, Waye Chineda. Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo, Waye Chineda. Yes, Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo, Waye Chineda. Yes. Yeah, Oyibo, yes, Oyibo. It's a Waye Chineda. Yes, now, Crotembo in the Mokewa.
Yes, sir.
Gonna buy my dear meal. Gonna buy my dear meal. You're gonna buy my dear meal. You're gonna buy my dear meal. Yeah, the Japo, up Abu Ama. After 3 times, before you go say, gonna buy my baby. Koru, this is not carry a mosquito line. Come infect my tongue. You're gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Ye di japo up Abu Ama. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby.
Kala peke sama.
Ye di jabo up abu ama.
Iyege. Kala peke sama. Obala bala kufeli beli. Kala peke sama. Amati ya.
Gonna buy my baby.
Kala peke sama.
Gonna buy my baby.
Kala peke sama.
Gonna buy my baby.
Kala peke sama.
Ye di jabo up abu ama.
Iyege. Kala peke sama. Obala bala kufeli beli. Kala peke sama.
Wherever they are, when the duty calls, we'll go there. The people are suffering. The people are dying. Today, people cannot go to the farm because insurgents will not allow them to go to their farm. People cannot go to the market because insurgents will not allow them to go to the market. What they produce is getting spoiled, wasted. This is our call. This is what we do. To open the places for the people to go back to their farm to bring the product. The bag of rice here in Obama is 150,000 a bag. We have gone into rice production because we have to reduce the price of rice here. Our people don't farm here because it is not part of our specialization. It's Zoman, no be farmer. It's Zoman of Jama. I am gentleman of it. I can jump into the water and cast some fish. And Suku cannot shook my hand. I am gentleman of his own. I can jump into the water and cast some fish. And Suku cannot shook my hand. Yes, sir. Yes. That is what we are. You can't change us from what we are to something else. The two things that the job people identify with is war and fishing. The job man, what he has been from time immemorial, all the people that are talking about, we are the people who ferry people to Lagos to go and fight. Our profession has been war and yes. We can't turn to farmers. Look at this land. They cannot farm. You know, go be turn lion, making come the chop grass. No. But today, because of hunger that is coming, after they've paid money for people to do bunkering, destroy our land, do all sorts of things, bomb our land, after they are the ones encouraging bunkering because of Joe, to tell people, they do all those evil things against our people. They look. A young man, not the most patient man with people. But in reaction, strong pass tsunami. A young man reaction, strong pass tsunami. He's the most patient man. Then say when water come, our brain go. When water go, our brain go. When water come, our brain come. How can they call us? Because we are patient. We can endure more than other people can endure. Do you know what it takes for an Ijaw man to get lost at sea without anything, sun and everything? The Ijaw man's life is perilous. The Ijaw man's life is surrounded with danger. There are no people like us. You go to our bushes, you see elephant. You go to our bushes, you see wild animals of different species. You go. When other people are praising their nationality, I look at them. I say, what have they seen? You see small snake. Small snake. You see small water, gutter water. I say, na mami water. Mami water dey there. Jama vie, jama na abadi wula wula. Yeah. Yes. You see the Joma crocodile? Is it a hippopotamus? Is it what that the Joma does not encounter? In these thousands of years, the Joma had been here. He refused to leave. And it has cooked him. He be more one as saw, made him stronger. We are the most patient people. We are patient with other people. But when we start, they say we don't start to. Because patience runs out at times. Patience runs out at times. And if you think you are targeting one Ijaw man, I'm sorry for you. You targeted Boro. What benefit did he give you? When you target Boro. The ones who come out, no plenty pass Boro. So if you target Dokwasa, the ones that will come will be more than Dokwasa.
Asawana! Asawana! Asawana!
General Mosquito leg self will come out. General Yongere. So that is what it is. When duty comes, we answer it. My advice to you is discipline. You have to stand out. There must be a clear demarcation between your behavior and their behavior. A clear distinction between your character and their character. They are not going there to kill innocent people in the name of operation. Like what they did at Okwama, what they did at the Bomatoro 1 and 2. You go and kill innocent people. And you pride yourself as a military. Innocent citizens of the country, you are supposed to assist. You are supposed to defend. You take pride in killing innocent people. But whatever it is, we cannot degenerate and condescend to their level.
Never.
Our strict code of engagement is what God Himself gave us. Our covenant is what God Himself gave us. And we keep our covenant to the letter. And that's why we don't, when 1,000 fall on our right hand side, 1,000 fall on our left hand side, 1,000 fall in front of us, 1,000 fall behind us, we trample on them.
Yes.
Because we are morally stronger, morally more powerful than them. Every time our brothers from the southwest take government, they use it to hunt us. It was Obasanjo who brought Land Use Act, Petroleum Act, confiscate all our districts. Now, Niger Delta Ministry, which was one of the 7-point agenda brought by Yaradua, President Bola Tinubu has abolished and appointed Development Commission with which person's money? With resources from where? And there is no Development Commission for South-South. We are patient. We are pushing the people and daring them and pushing them and daring them and finding what can they do, what can they do. They will do something one day. Whoever your advisor is that is telling you that they are the people, they are the people, they are the people, what can they do? Our fathers were not, some of us as younger people had come up to say that our fathers formed alliance with the North. They were not wrong after all. The North is very far away. They are not in Ondo State with us. They are not in Rivers State with us. So it is those who are close to us that are always struggling to undo us. For Ijaw people in the South, today I feel that I apologize to our fathers like Dababri, like Medford Okilo, that they were not wrong in forming alliance with the North. And as young men, we will now start that same alliance now. As I am today, from today, I will work and form alliance with the North and to crush all other opposition. Because those who hate us, whatever we do for them does not mean anything to them. Whatever Ijaw people do to them does not mean anything to them. You go all over Ijaw land. We will take this message that it's only the Northerners that can work with the Ijaw people. We cannot work with the Yoruba people. They are betrayals to us. We risked our life, voted, did everything. This is what we get. Our governor that is in Rivers State, you are struggling with an Igbo man who does not know where he comes from, is Oba Bonwan, to remove him. And now you remove what we use our blood and sweat to get, Niger Delta Ministry. We will take this message to every nook and cranny of Ijaw land.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will tell them, our enemies are here with us. The North is not our enemy. Tell them, the North is not our enemy. And I, who spearheaded this movement to fight the North, I regret it today. When they say the waiting elders they see sitting down, young man go see whether they stand up, you know they see. Yes, I have seen it now. And the consequences will be lasting. They will see the Ijaw people. They will see the Ijaw people. They say the North is weakened. We will strengthen the North. An enemy of your enemy is your friend.
Ma.
We did not look for Yoruba people's enmity. We voted for them. I personally, I sacrificed everything for them. But since they have chosen us as enemies, we will choose them as our enemies too. Yes. Passenger took what belonged to us through Land Use Act. President Bola Tinubu is taking what we fought for and was given to us by the North, by Yaradua and other Northerners. It was Tafa Belewa who gave us Niger Delta Basin Authority. Through the instrumentality of the Wilkins Commission, they came and they created river basin in all their gutters. Every gutter in Yoruba land became river basin. Every gutter in the north became river basin. Every gutter in Igbo land became river basin. Like when even the smallest river, Asari Dokubo, is bigger than all the rivers in their place. Now they gave NDDC. They came and polluted it and reduced it to nothing. And the ministry given to us has been taken away from us. They will see the backlash of it.
Asawana!
This one Nigeria, we are all going to maintain it. And this privilege they had, they will never have it again.
Asawana! Aye, so! Yeah.
This privilege that they had, that all of us struggle and thinking that we are from the south, we are the same, that we gave them, they will never have it again.
Papa! Papa!
They will never have it again. We work with the North. We work with the most extreme elements in the North, not moderate. We will inflict the same pain that they are inflicting on us, on them. When somebody is ungrateful, somebody is a betrayer, you must tell him you are a betrayer and you are ungrateful. There's a limit to what you can do to people. None of us is going to fight anything. We are not leaving Nigeria. We will be in Nigeria together. The job people are not leaving Nigeria to anywhere. We will be in this Nigeria and live and see each other eyeball to eyeball inside it. He that is down need fear no fall. When reactionary element takes over a government, when haters takes over a government, after people had made painful sacrifices, spend their money, put their life, their reputation, their everything online, what you pay them back with is ingratitude and betrayal. As you are singing, 2 by 2, from village to village in the Jordan, as you started IYZ, that's what we are going to comment. You go now. Yes, we are waiting for the Northerners to come. We are ready to work with them. Yes. If you want to make a change, the best thing you do in a democracy is to call town hall meeting, to discuss, interface with the people. Who did you consult? You think that we are nobody, so you can take any decision you like. The consequences of that decision will be seen. We have told them, leave Fubre alone. We never finish that one. The next thing, then slam us, and Niger Delta minutes. Okay. God did. I do.
No, sir.
Supreme Father Zikembo.